No, I'm filming.
Oh, okay. Hi everyone. The activity today, we're going to try making some bird feeders to go in our gardens to help out the birds in the winter months. There's not a lot of food in the winter for birds, so hopefully this might encourage them into your garden and you get to watch them eating. So for this, we're going to need some toilet rolls or kitchen rolls, something sticky like peanut butter, or maybe you could try using lard or something like that. Some string, some scissors, something to spread the peanut butter or the sticky stuff with, and then some seeds and nuts that you can get from the supermarket, or even just some bird food you can buy in shops, and something to put it in. Right, we're going to get our toilet roll, and we're going to try and cover it in sticky stuff. So I've got peanut butter here, and with a knife I'm just going to carefully squidge it all round the toilet roll. You want quite a bit so that the seeds stick to it. If you wanted to get really messy, you could just use your hands and squidge it all on. That would be good fun. There we go, a little bit more. Okay, right. So I've got my sticky toilet roll. Next, I'm going to get my seeds. I'll pour them into a little tray. There we go. And then I'm going to get my toilet roll. I'm just going to press and roll it and try and get them all to stick on. It's working well. So just gently pressing and rolling. There we go, and you can see got lots of nice different seeds and nuts stuck on there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to cut a bit of string and just put it through your toilet roll. So it comes out the other side. There we go. Whoa! Dropped it. Try again. Here we go. And then you've got your two bits like this. So you can find a branch or a tree or a bush in your garden or in a local park or something like that. And you can tie it on to a branch like that. It's got to be high enough that cats and dogs can't get to it, because dogs would like to lick the peanut butter. So you want it to be quite high, you might have to ask your grown-up, and then you can leave it on a branch, and if you're lucky and quiet, you might get to see some of our birds coming and landing and eating the seeds, which would be really interesting. Anyway, that's our activity, and we'll see you in school next week. Bye-bye.